Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Capcut on your PC and start a new project with your footage. Import the clip and drag it to the timeline so the playhead sits at your intended start point. Click Text, select Default, and type your message into the text box. Move the text where you want it to begin relative to the subject. Trim the text layer so it lasts about 3-5 seconds for a typical short track. Save the project before you continue to tracking. Select the text layer and click the track button in the toolbar to open tracking controls. Choose point tracking and place the tracking point over the subject feature you want to follow, like a forehead or logo. Set the tracking range to the clip length or a specific 6-second segment to limit processing. Click Start to let Capcut analyze frames and generate keyframes for every frame or every few frames. After automatic tracking finishes, if the automatic track has errors, switch to the keyframe view and nudge the text position frame by frame. Use transform controls to adjust scale and rotation so the text matches perspective consistently. Apply smooth or adjust sensitivity to reduce jitter without losing sync. Add a subtle shadow, feathered mask, or opacity fade to help the text blend with the background. When satisfied, choose Export. Set resolution to 1920x1080 and frame rate to 30 FPS, and use H.264 with about an 8 Mbps bitrate for good quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.